Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday here on our farm. Today I want to show you what a full day with our chickens really looks like. From the moment they are let out onto the pasture in the morning, how they lay their eggs, how they protect them, how we collect them, all the way until evening. Of course, while filming, unexpected little incidents can happen. So keep watching to see what happens. We always let our chickens roam freely on pasture. It helps them stay healthy, and it gives us healthier eggs too. In the next video, I would like to show you what we actually do with all these eggs. Maybe it will inspire some of you. Because there are other ways to sell eggs, not only online or through supermarkets. We, as people, have a responsibility to take care of animals and nature. After eating, each hen looks for her nesting box. Of course, hens can be very loud while laying eggs. That's completely normal. A hen has a very strong instinct to protect her eggs. One curious hen even decided to get involved and help me a little. Now it's time to let them rest. They've worked hard all day. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a comment, a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.